Hey guys, Eddie Ortiz. Just wanted to quickly take a minute and do a quick walkthrough of a house. This is your chance of getting to see inside it. Obviously right now everybody's kind of freaking out about things and trying to figure out what's going to happen next. Some people don't want to leave their home, and if you can't leave your home, or if perhaps you're not even in town, it's just a good time for you to check out this really cute listing that I have. It's an awesome, beautiful home, and I wanted to take a quick minute, show you around the house, and talk a little bit about the subdivision that is in. It's called BRIO, and it is on the northwest or northeast end of St. George. It's really close to a lot of the shops and things like that. And the subdivision has a 14,000 square foot community center or clubhouse, which has indoor, outdoor pool, and it has a tennis court, and it has a whole bunch of different stuff that you can do at it. It is a masterfully planned design for a subdivision, and really low HOAs, only $100 a month. So I wanted to quickly take a walkthrough of it, show you the neighborhood. This is kind of what it looks like right here. You can see just how beautiful the subdivision builds are. And there you have my sign, Eddie Ortiz. Anyway, and this is the home. The home is at 282 Peridot Drive. It is such a cute house, and again, in a great, amazing neighborhood. And this is not a 55 plus community, but I mean, it's gorgeous and it has so much to do. Look at this cute entrance with the natural stones around. And as you walk in, this is a West home built. Look at how cute the entrance is. Check out that lighting, huh? So as you walk into the house, to the right, you're going to have the washer and dryer. You have a closet right here. And you have the garage just right over here. So it's a 2-car garage. The home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And then when you walk in again, there it is, the entrance, and you walk over to the left here, you have 2 bedrooms. This front room has a great, awesome, big window that looks out, obviously, and bright as you can see. So, great, and it has a pretty nice sized closet. Let's just kind of look inside here really quick. Now the home is being offered at $334,900, so it's $334,900. And if you haven't been to BRIO before and you haven't seen these West homes, I mean, they are incredibly beautiful homes, well built. Oh, and I just dropped you, so I'm gonna leave that in there just because I'm not gonna edit this. So check out the walk-in closet, and as we go back in this way, you can see the nice engineered wood floors. Again, really cute house. And let's go inside a little bit just so you can see. Look, check out these tall ceilings. I mean, these vaulted ceilings are so awesome. It is so wide open space. And you have this beautiful backsplash. These guys put so much time and effort into this home. They put all the nice upgrades. And as you can see, great appliances. And again, you can kind of see but as you walk through, again, there's the entrance where we just came in from. And here's the master bedroom. Check out that beautiful door, just right into the bathroom, and then a really cool backyard. But if you're interested and you want to come out, take a look at it, obviously, we're kind of starting to shut down all open houses here in St. George. We're starting to kind of take the advice of those folks that are out there and that know more than we do in terms of these situations. So as we close down stuff, we still can do private showings. So if you have time, we'd love to have you come out and take a look at this home and obviously tell you more about why BRIO is such an amazing subdivision to live in. Again, just having indoor, outdoor pools is such a big deal, but having such a low HOA, that is pretty incredible. You can see, you got somewhat of a private yard. Obviously, these folks right here can see a little bit, but you can plant some trees there that can go a little bit higher and block that view if you need to, so no big deal at all. And then as you look back here, you have these really cute planters. As you can see, my clients have the most amazing green thumb, and they are also the coolest clients ever. So they've put so much love into this home. And you know, if you have a minute, you want to come out, take a look at it, I would love to come out and have you look at it and walk through it with me. Again, 334,900, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it is over 1,500 square feet, so 1,587 actually to be exact. So come check it out, and if you have a minute, I would love to show you around if you want to see it. And for those of you who are not here and you want to FaceTime and I can show you through it, it's such a cute home, and it won't be on the market for long. So if you really are interested, come out and take a look at why this home built by Cole West is such a beautiful home. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.